Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A72. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you have put it back, of course, after inserting the SIM card, you will find it here at the cover. So a bit hidden, just remove it like this, and here we have the other box in the box. Okay, and here's the SIM ejection tool on the other side. And if you don't have this SIM ejection tool anymore, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the top of the phone the SIM tray. And next to the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip, you enter that hole and press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, always here in front we will have our SIM card, and on the second space here you have the choice between a second SIM card or a microSD card. So in case if you are having right now a second SIM card here, you are not able to insert a microSD card. So this space has to be free. So you can use just one SIM card if you want to use a microSD card. Okay, let's place now the microSD card here. Be sure that the microSD card is a bit fixed here. You will hear something like a click, and at the end it should look like this at all. Okay, and the contacts are below. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put the SIM tray back into the phone and close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in way to transfer data, also how to transfer data, and also how to transfer apps from the internal storage to the microSD card. You can have a look there. Or also, if you want, you can subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.